Hi guys, today I'm here in TRX Apple store. So now I repair my mobile. They have something issue. So yesterday I gave the phone. So he changed the motherboard, but he changed the battery also. He changed camera also. I show you. But see, I show you. This one parts and service only have the little bit charging port issue, but the change fully motherboard and the change battery also. Now inside message come, but when he changed the camera also. I don't know why he changed. I have only just battery charging port issue. Sometimes they restart, sometimes they work, but they change fully all thing. I don't know why. And see, now you can see guys, I show you the warranty also they're showing from today. This is the Apple store.